So let's say we have a pentagon like number 4, and these are all regular polygons, meaning all the sides are equal, okay? And I can't draw, but whatever. So number 4, the number of sides would be 5, correct? And you just put it in the formula. So it would be 180 times 5 minus 2, which is 180 times 3, which should be 540 degrees, would be the sum of all the angles inside. So when I'm counting the sides, I put tick marks in, especially if it has a lot of sides so you don't lose track. And I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I go all the way around. So you don't say 15 when it's really 16 or 14 when it's really 15. So number 10, we're going to find the measurement of each one of those interior angles. So we do the same thing. Side minus 2 times 180, but this time we divide it by the number of sides. So if we know that a pentagon has 540 degrees, we divide it by 5, and each angle has 108 degrees.